Welcome to our tutorial on turning metal pipes and creating custom parts for industrial use using a lathe machine. This process begins by securely mounting the metal pipe in the lathe chuck to ensure stability and precision. With the pipe properly aligned, we select the appropriate cutting tool and install it in the tool holder. Setting the machine to the correct speed and feed rate, we start the turning process, gradually removing material to shape the pipe to the desired specifications. Throughout the process, we periodically pause to measure the dimensions with calipers, ensuring the accuracy and consistency of the cut. As the lathe continues to work, chips of metal are removed, revealing a smooth and precisely machined surface. Once the turning is complete, we remove and inspect the part to confirm it meets all industrial standards and specifications. This precise machining process results in high-quality custom parts ready for various industrial applications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more machining tutorials and tips. With the turning process complete, we have a high-quality, custom-machined part that's ready for various industrial applications. This method exemplifies the precision and reliability of lathe machining in industrial manufacturing. Thanks for watching our tutorial on turning metal pipes and creating custom parts for industrial use.